Please excuse the sound quality. Gordon's Bay is very windy.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Matakazo Moshweshwe and I am an upcycle queen. So I just met Doug now and I was walking down the beach and I was picking up a few papers that we throw out and we don't even think about the ocean life. So Doug was showing me this. Actually, I just saw this. He was telling me that I can use this to pick up the papers, and this is what I would love the world to know, that we must always look after sorry, it's so windy. We must always look after the earth. The earth is calling us to take care of it. Every time you throw plastic, think of the animals, think of the sea life, think of everything that God has given us. So look after the earth. Think before you throw away plastic. This is our plastic. And for Upcycle Workshop, you can call me and we can get together and do some creative renewal work through
I believe you have an Instagram account.
Yes, I am on Instagram. It's Matakazo Moshweshwe.
Matakazo Moshweshwe.
Yes.
I'm going to get that spelling now and refer it on my channel, and we'll meet up again.
Okay, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Thanks, Matakazo.